Welcome back, guys. Whiskers the Fish here, and today I have another Windows 10 tutorial video. This video is all about tips and features that you should know while using Windows 10. Anything from using the task manager to cleaning your hard drive. So let's get right into it. The first tip is going to be a hidden start menu that you can find on your Windows 10. Now you know there's this start menu right here that if you click will show all of your programs, and you can actually run different programs from here as well. But did you know if you right click on the start menu, you actually get this little hidden start menu that has other programs you cannot access from the normal one. For example, Task Manager. There's a run feature, so if you type in a specific program, it will run it automatically. There's a search, which I'm guessing will search the internet, and a ton of other things like System and Device Manager, which are also very important. The next tip will be a way to clean your hard drive for free. No third-party apps necessary. All you need to do is go to the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup and press Enter. Now you're going to get this little screen here. This means you can click any drive that you want. So if you press OK, this is going to clean that drive. You can see there's a little brush next to the hard drive. Now you can delete temporary internet files and tons of other different things. What cleaning up will do is will clean your hard drive of junk or unneeded files temporarily downloaded, which can most of the time speed up your hard drive. Now I often do this, so I only have about 610 megabytes right here to delete, which is not very much. But if you have a lot or you want to clean your hard drive, you would just select this and you would click Clean Up System Files and follow the given instructions to clean your hard drive. The third tip is going to be how to access the Task Manager. Now, most people probably already know this, but if you don't, this is a very, very useful thing to know. To access your Task Manager, you can go to the secret start menu that I showed you before, and it's this one right here. You can right-click on the taskbar itself and go to Task Manager right here, and you can also do Control-Alt-Delete, and it will pop up as one of the options. For mine, I'm just going to use the secret start menu because I find it easier. What Task Manager is going to do is it's going to show you all of your processes and apps running. So let's say maybe an app is unresponsive and you can't close it. Well, let's say I don't want Steam on right now. I can press End Task, and no matter what, it permanently closes that app or feature. What's also nice is you say here 56% of my CPU usage is up. If I click on that, I can actually see which ones are taking the most. Same with all the others. You can also check your performance from here to see how much RAM you're using, what your CPU usage is, and even what your graphics card usage is at. You can also check Wi-Fi and Ethernet as well as your disk. The fourth program is another very useful tip to know. This is the calculator, which you should also know because it's very useful. All you're going to want to do is click the Windows button, or you can click on the Start menu and type Calculator. You press Enter, and you get this little calculator here. Now my calculator might look a little bit different. As you can see, I've downloaded my own calculator program that has the same name. But no matter what you type, as long as you type calculator in the Start menu down here, you're going to pop up a little calculator that you can do to do simple math. 1 plus 1 equals 2. The final tool, tip, and feature I will be showing you today is the Snip and Sketch, which is a capturing tool. This is also very, very useful. Let's say I like this app right here that's on my computer, and I want to send a screenshot to my friend. Well, to actually do that, you have to press the Windows button, Shift, and S at the same time, as I will do so now. this little thing will pop up here, which actually allows you to either make a screenshot or capture of a rectangle. You can create your own custom shape. You can do your whole window, or you can do a full screen snip. Let's say I want to just select a rectangle. So if I want to select this app, I just do that. And as you can see here, it automatically saves that into my files. So now I have a picture of this right here. So that's very useful if you wanted to take a screenshot or a picture of anything that's on your web page or even your desktop. You can use it anywhere. So this has been 5 tips and features you must know in Windows 10. Hope you guys enjoyed.